In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade options on interactive brokers. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to open up one of the IBKR platforms. I'm currently here on IBKR desktop, but of course, it's up to you, whichever one you use. Either you use this one or the web version, maybe the mobile version. It's going to work on pretty much all of them. Now, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just going to show you how to actually perform the clicks of these buttons over here to achieve this, okay? So, of course, it's up to you, whichever options you want to trade. I'm just going to go to the search box up here, and I'm going to type in Apple. So we're just going to do this for Apple over here for this example, and there we go. I'm going to click on where it says options over here on the right, and I'm going to click on Apple. Now this is going to open up the option chain, but if you are inside the chart of anything specific like a stock or something, you can just switch over to the option chain up top here, and that's basically where you can see the option chain. Now what you can do here is basically select the option you want to basically purchase. So for example, I'm just going to go ahead and click a random one over here on my simulated account, and as you can see, as I click through these, it's going to basically pop up different things here on the right hand side, and I can go ahead and click on the buy order. And if I do the buy order here, I can just select the quantity, and then I can select the type of order I want to do. I can select the limit price if I wanna, and then I can just go ahead and click on submit buy order over here, and then do transmit, and there we go. My order is gonna be filled, and I can do the same for the sell order over here as well. So it's completely up to you whatever you do, but this is basically how you trade options here on interactive brokers. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.